Let's see in this chapter regarding the biological classification, how the organisms are classified. So it's very interestingly organisms. So organisms are classified as two categories. Prokaryotes and eukaryotic. Under prokaryotic you have Monera. Under eukaryotic, which is again divided into two categories again. Unicellular or multicellular. Coming to the next thing, unicellular. Unicellular is again divided into, so unicellular you have only one thing, that is kingdom Protista, all the unicellular eukaryotics. And now the multicellular, it is again divided into two more categories. One is with cell wall, without cell wall. Coming to the very first thing, with cell wall. So with cell wall we have again two categories. Phototropic and heterotropic. Under phototropic it is plantae. Under heterotropic it is fungi. And without cell wall it is kingdom Animalia. So let's see once again. We have the organisms. Organisms are basically divided based on cell type. Okay, there they considered cell type, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. And here afterwards they considered number of cells, unicellular or multicellular. And here they considered regarding cell wall. And here it is based on nutrition. Right. So coming to the 5 kingdom system of classification. Five kingdom classification by R.H. Whitaker in the year 1969. So we have 5 kingdoms. So here we have kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia. Okay, so these are unicellular prokaryotes, and these are unicellular eukaryote fungi. Multicellular, so from here to here all are multicellular eukaryotes. So you have to remember the year here, that is 1969. So the NCERT textbook will be following this system of classification only. Let's see the three domains of life. The three domains of life was given by Carl Woese in the year 1990. So he set up the possible values. So to qualify the inputs, so which is known as domains. So he has given three domains of classification. We also call this as six kingdoms of classification. Six kingdom classification. Because it divides the life forms into three domains, three major domains. So one is archaea. Other one is bacteria. And finally we have eukarya. And the domain archaea is the organisms that include the very early prokaryotes. Called it as archaebacteria. For example, methanogens, thermoacidophiles, and next bacteria that include prokaryotic with no cell membrane, with no plasma membrane, which cannot survive in extreme harsh conditions, the normal bacteria. So lactobacillus, E. coli, Escherichia coli, and eukaryota. So all protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia are included under eukarya. So this is the three domains of life, and sixth kingdom of classification is given by Carl Woese, which is in the year 1990. In 1969, the classification was given by R.H. Whitaker. So which is five kingdom system of classification, which is based on two domains. And next, two kingdom classification is given by. So the two kingdom classification is given by Carolus Linnaeus, and in the year 1758. So he divided all the living organisms into just two kingdoms. One is plantae and other one is animalia. Next, three kingdom system of classification. The three kingdom classification is given by Ernst Haeckel. Ernst Haeckel. He divided into three types. Plantae, animalia, and protista. And next, the four kingdom system of classification. The four kingdom was given by Herbert F. Copeland. So he classified into four things. So he classified into Monera, Protista, Plantae, Animalia. So fungi is the one which is first seen in R.H. Whitaker system of classification. Protista is the first one thing that is seen in 3 kingdom system, and Monera is seen in 4 kingdom. So that was the difference you have to note in these 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 kingdom. So we call the 6 kingdom as 3 domain classification also. But the first attempt of classification was done by the father of zoology, Aristotle. He classified 2 things. One is plants. Plants into trees, herbs and shrubs. And again animals. Animals is again 2 categories, with RBC, with red blood, and without red blood. So this is regarding a very short review on classification, different types of classification. And Linnaeus, so he is considered as the father of modern taxonomy. And he is the person behind binomial nomenclature. So that's it about a very brief thing regarding biological classification.